welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a new makeup tutorial summary with like these peachy golden tones and a really nice nude lip. Fun fact, a majority of these products that I use in the video I purchased from BH Cosmetics, and I was so happy because I haven't used their stuff since like I first got into makeup. And because I'm a freaking idiot and I accidentally ordered like 2 shipments of like the same exact product, I figured I would give one box away to you guys. So it's literally like a full eyeshadow palette, some brushes, a couple other things. I'll let you guys know at the end of the video how you can enter to win this giveaway. My last video I did mention I was gonna do a giveaway for like a wedding hashtag, but I honestly don't even think I'm gonna do a wedding hashtag just because I feel like nothing goes. So I figured this would be perfect. I could just do a really simple, easy giveaway, and I'll let you guys know at the end of the video how you guys can enter. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into how I got this look.
Alright, I'm starting with already moisturized skin and just priming using my MAC Natural Radiance Primer. This really helps lock the foundation in place all day. And then to help further like smooth my pores or any texture, I'm using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Smoothing Primer. A more affordable option would be like the NYX Pore Filler. Then to prime my eyelids, I'm using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I swear by this, it really does lock eyeshadow in place all day. So I'm just doing a light sweep of that all over my lid and then just patting that in with my finger. Now I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Noveau Neutrals palette. It comes with some like blushes at the top and eyeshadows on the bottom, and I am just loving this palette. So I'm taking that like matte cream shade in the palette and using that to set the primer. And then taking the blending brush that I got in my Crystal Quartz brush set, I'm gonna actually dip into that peachy blush and use that as a transition shade. The color reminded me a lot of Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie, which was one of my favorite eyeshadows ever. So I decided to use that as a transition. And let me tell you, I'm so impressed by the quality of these brushes. I like this brush set in particular because it had a lot of blending brushes. So as you see now, I took a smaller blending brush and I decided to dip into like an orangey coral shade, and I'm putting that just below where I placed that original like peachy one, and I'm just slowly building that up, adding product until I get the intensity I want. But I can't like explain enough how smooth these shadows blend, how great these brushes were, and they were so cheap. And I promise you this video is not sponsored, but I just couldn't believe it for like the price point, how good it was. I'm gonna take a more like warm red orange almost type of color and the smaller fluffier blending brush and putting that below the lash shade. This brush reminded me a lot of my MAC 221, which by the way is normally $25 by itself. I paid $16 for the brush set, and the quality is just like, they blended everything exactly the same. So I'm just slowly building up that shade. And then I'm taking another blush. I took like a more like burnt red brown type of tone. I'm great at describing these shades. And this time I'm taking that same blending brush, putting it on that last third of my eyelid to kind of smoke out the outer corner, and then just lightly sweep that in the crease with whatever's left. I didn't want to carve out my crease, but I did want my lid shades to show up brighter. So I took some more of the Soft Ochre Paint Pot, just a little bit, and put that all over my lid so that the shimmer shades show up even brighter. And then I'm taking this like champagne color in the palette, so pretty, and I decided to wet my brush with Fix Plus so it showed up even more intense, and putting that on my first third of my eyelid. Now let me tell you guys, these shadows are so pigmented that you don't need to spray your brush with Fix Plus, but I did want more of a metallic finish. I'm then taking this beautiful cranberry shade in the palette, and I decided to pack that all over my lid with my finger and then just kind of blending it into that first shade. Like, these shadows are so amazing. Everybody talks about Morphe shadows being so pigmented and like a great price, but these were even cheaper than some of the Morphe palettes I've picked up, and like the quality is there. I feel like recently BH Cosmetics has really stepped up their game because it was not like this before. And as you see, I highlighted my inner corner and under my eyebrow with like a light creamy vanilla shade in the palette. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal, the Laura Mercier A Flawless Fusion Foundation. I recently picked it up and I do like it. And I'm applying this with one of the face brushes that came in the brush set, and I've been using this brush ever since this video. It's amazing for blending out foundation really fast and giving a smooth finish, so definitely recommend that brush. And then I'm applying my Catrice Camouflage Concealer with my, I forget what beauty sponge this is, but it's like one from the drugstore, and then just patting that in. I'm gonna set the under eye concealer with the same wet beauty sponge. I like using a damp beauty sponge because I feel like it helps the powder not look so dry and like cakey under the eyes. Then to warm up the face, I'm taking my MAC Give Me Some bronzer, and I took this with the BH Cosmetics V2. It's like a bronzing blush. When I ordered this, I thought it was going to be a lot smaller to get that chiseled defined contour. Turned out being a lot larger than I expected, but I do really like the way this buffs out the bronzer on the skin, and I love the quality. Then for blush, I'm taking a more pinky shade that was in that Noveau Neutrals palette, and then just sweeping that along my cheekbones, kind of following where I contoured. For highlight, I use the Wet n Wild, I think this is Petal Power highlight. I forgot how much I love this highlighter and like how high end it looks. And then to blend the highlight, blush, and contour together, I'm just taking my MAC Mineralized powder in medium golden and just doing a light sweep of this over the skin to fuse everything together so that there are no harsh edges and everything just looks very seamless. For my lower lash line, I'm taking that smaller, that really tiny tapered blending brush and taking that peach blush, sweeping that along my lower lash line. I love this brush for blending out that lower lash line. It's like the perfect size. And then I'm stamping that more corally shade with a flat top dense brush that came in the same exact brush kit, and just stamping that along my lashes. I'm just kind of going back and forth and blending it out so there are no harsh edges. And then I decided to line my waterline with a black liner. Now, after I did this, I realized it was a bit harsh, so I went in with one of the bronzy colors in the palette, took that on like a dense angled brush that came in the kit, and I stamped that right over top of the black liner. I really love the effect it gave over top of the black liner. It helped it show up more intense. For lashes, I'm taking these lashes I got from Zaful. They were super cheap. Popped those on off camera, and I'm obsessed with the look of these lashes. I'll try to link them down below if they still have them on Zaful.com, but they were like crazy cheap, like I believe like $3. Then to line my lips, I'm using my MAC Spice lip pencil, and I'm taking this BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Alice and like blending that together since it's a lot lighter than the lip pencil. I love the quality of this liquid lipstick. It's so nice and just comfortable. And then I took this Marc Jacobs lip gloss and just put that over top. And this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Alright guys, so now to show you what you guys are going to be getting in the giveaway. Pretty much everything that I use in this video from BH Cosmetics is what you'll be getting. I promise this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just an idiot and accidentally ordered 2 of the same exact products. I'm gonna win the palette that I use in this video. You'll be able to do the exact same look that I did on my eyes here. You're gonna win a brush set, the same exact brushes that I was using in this video. And guys, these brushes are amazing quality. They were so affordable to begin with. I think I only paid like 12 bucks for this whole kit, and it comes with 12 pieces, but they're amazing. You guys are gonna love them. You'll get a brush. This is like a blush bronzer brush. It's really nice. I use it for my bronzer in today's video. I honestly thought when I ordered it, it would be a lot smaller to be able to do more of that chiseled contour, but it's a lot more fluffy, so it's more perfect for like that all over bronze look. It's good for blush, but probably a little bit too big for highlight. It's really pretty eyeshadow chrome. This is mine, so don't worry, I'm not opening the one that I'm sending you guys. But this, it's so pretty. It's like it reminds me of like the Stila pigments. Do you guys see that? Oh, so pretty. It'll give you like that kind of mermaid eye. It has purple, blue, and green flexes in it. This came in the package for free. It's just like an under eyebrow highlight. You'll get the same exact liquid lipstick that I use in this video. Guys, I'm obsessed with this color. It's like the perfect nude. It's like the perfect kind of like mauve-y pink color. That's all the stuff that you guys are going to be winning. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload. Leave a comment of why you feel you should win the giveaway. Pick a winner by next week. In my next video, I'll announce it. And yeah, I'm so happy that one of you guys will get some really good stuff. Bye guys.